Hey there, Super Scholars, and welcome. I am so excited you're here today because we are about to go on an amazing math adventure, all about something called place value. Have you ever looked at a really, really big number and just wondered, how does that even work? Like, where do all those little numbers come from? Well, get ready, because today we are going to find out. That's right. Go ahead and put on your Explorer hats because we're going on a special mission to discover the secret homes where all the numbers live. All right, let's dive right in. Our very first stop on this big adventure is to understand a super duper important secret about numbers. Okay, so think about it like this. Just like you and I have houses to live in, right? Well, every single digit, every little number has its very own special place to live. We can call it a house. And that's what gives it its power, its value. It's kind of like a secret code. So to crack this code, we're going to visit the three main houses on what I like to call Number Street. Are you ready to go knock on some doors? Come on, let's go check them out. And here we are. Welcome, welcome to the ones house. This is where our smallest, tiniest building blocks live. Check out these little purple blocks. There are single blocks. So, numbers like 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9, they live right here in the ones house. All right, let's head next door. Whoa, here we have the tens house. Look at these cool green rods. Do you see? Each one is actually made of 10 of those little purple blocks, all stuck together in a line. So this house, yeah, it's for groups of 10. Like 10, 20, 30. It's super important. And now, for the biggest house on the whole street, it's the hundreds house. Wow, look at these giant red blocks. Can you believe that each one is made of 100 of those tiny purple blocks? This is where the really, really big numbers hang out. Okay, so now that we've met all the number houses, it is time for the best part. Are you ready? Let's use these awesome building blocks to build a great big number together. All right, number explorers, check this out. Look at all these blocks we've got. We have some of those big red hundreds, some green tens rods, and some of the little purple ones. I wonder, what number do you think we can build with all of this? Let's figure it out. Okay, so the very first thing we need to do is sort our blocks into their right houses. Let's do it. First, the big red ones. We have 1, 2. So a 2 goes in the hundreds house. Easy. Next, the green rods. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a 4 goes in the tens house. Perfect. And last, the little purple blocks. 1, 2, 3 of them. So a 3 goes in the ones house. Look at that. So now when we put all those digits together, we get our secret number. We have 2 hundreds, 4 tens, and 3 ones. And when you put it all together, what does that make? It makes the number 243. Yes, we did it. We built a giant number together. That was absolutely amazing work, number explorers. Go on, give yourselves a big cheer. Okay, you have learned so much already. But now I need your help to solve a little mystery. It's time for you to put on your detective hat and become a number detective. Okay, detective, listen closely. Here is your clue. We are looking for a number where the digit 3 is living in the tens house. Remember, that's the house in the middle, and it means that 3 is really worth 30. Got it? All right, look closely at these 4 numbers on the screen. Which one has a 3 right there in the tens place? Is it A, B, C, or D? Take a second, look real close, and see if you can spot it. Did you find it? The answer is B, 235. See? The 3 is right there in the middle, smack dab in the tens house. You solved the mystery. You are so amazing at this. I absolutely knew you could do it. You have officially completed your training, and from this day forward, you are a Place Value Pro. So let's do a super fast recap of everything we discovered today. First, we visited the ones house for all our little single blocks. Then we went to the tens house for our groups of 10. And finally, we saw the giant hundreds house for those big groups of 100. But seriously, you were an incredible number explorer today. Learning about place value is a really big deal. It's a huge step toward becoming a math superstar, and you totally nailed it. Okay, before you go, I have one last tiny mission for you. What is the biggest, most gigantic number you can think of?
It makes me wonder, what other number houses are there? Do you think there's a thousands house? Or what about a millions house? Whoa. Keep exploring, keep being curious, and I cannot wait to see you on our next adventure. Bye for now.